Phantom models are important tools, but it is challenging to make them anatomically accurate. This protocol uses CT and ultrasound to create a patient-specific phantom that includes a tumour.
We use complex heterogeneous models and 3D printing to achieve a high degree of anatomical realism.
Patient-specific brain phantoms are highly useful as they allow for surgical planning and clinical training, and they allow surgeons to practice new techniques and to test new instruments and hardware.
After obtaining preoperative contrast-enhanced T1-weighted MRI and volumetric CT data, load the images into a 3D modeling software program and use the plane cut tool to split the brain segmentation into two hemispheres. Save each hemisphere as a separate right and left brain STL files, and import the files into an appropriate computer-aided design software program. In the Mesh workspace, use the Reduce function to decrease the size of each model as much as possible, so that it can be handled by the program while still retaining all the necessary detail. In the Solid workspace, use the Mesh to BREP tool to convert the imported mesh to a body that can be manipulated. Click Create and Box to draw a box around the tumor, rotating the view to ensure that the box completely encloses the tumor on all sides. In the Operation drop-down menu, designate the box as a new body. Click the Modify tab and use the Combine tool to cut the tumor from the box to create a box with a hollow shape of the tumor inside of it. To create